This is a problem based on work, and we want to calculate the work which is done by gravity. So the question tells us that a person carries 2 Newton pebble through a path shown in the figure, starting from point A and ending at point B. The total time is given as 6.75 minutes. How much work did gravity do on the rock between A and B? So first we will just label the points which are in between, that is C, D and E. And we need to find out the distances. So we can see that this little distance which we have got here, that will be 3, because this is also 3. Okay, so we are just going to use our mathematical skill to find out the distances using the information which is provided. Again, we need to find out the rest of it, because as you move from A to C, we need to find what is the height difference between A and C. So again, this distance here is 1.5, so this will also be 1.5. Okay, the rest of it we can find out that 16.5 has to be subtracted from 1.5, so that we can get the rest of it here, which is 15 meter. Now we want to find the work done from A to B. So from A to B, it is having 3 parts. Actually, it's having 4 parts: A to C, C to D, D to E, and E to B. So 4 parts. Now, as we said, it is a work done by gravity. Gravity is acting downwards as usual, as always. So 2 Newton is the gravity force which is acting downwards, and therefore for C to D and E to B, which are horizontal, as we can see in the diagram, the angle between the force and the displacement will be 90. And if the angle between force and displacement is 90, we know that the work done will be equal to 0. So now we are left with A to C and D to E. So let's see how to find the work done from A to C. So from A to C, we need to find out the displacement. So it will not be 15, because that's not the displacement. Okay, and that's the reason we in the beginning we found out the height difference, and we are going to use that now. Between A and C, the displacement is 18 meter. Okay, so in the formula we can write 2 into 18, but it will come with a negative sign, because the displacement is upwards. We are moving from A to C, it's moving upwards, and the gravity is downwards. So when we calculate this, we are going to get it as negative 36 joules. Now from D to E, we can see we are moving downwards, which is same as the direction of force, and therefore the work done here will be positive. The displacement is 3 meter, so we just multiply that and we get that as 6 joules. To find the total work done in moving the pebble from A to B, we have to add up all the work done which we have calculated till now. So we already said that from C to D and E to B it will be 0. So we are left with only A to C and D to E. We just add them up with the signs and we find that it is negative 30 joules.